Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here because I wanted to give you another code review. And this code review is on how to calculate probability using Python. So basically, the formula for probability is probability equals favorable outcome over total outcomes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a few examples of how to predict probability. So the first one is coin toss. So you have number sides equals 2 because there's 2 sides to a coin. Heads equals 1 and tails equals 1. So prob heads equals heads over num sides. So you can print probability of heads, comma, prob heads. So that's going to be 0.5 or 50%. And prob tails equals tails over num side. So you print probability of tails, comma, prob tails, and so the probability there is 0.5. So whether you toss head or tails, there's 50% probability. The next one, we have blocks in a bag. So you have 3 yellow blocks in the bag, 2 blue blocks in the bag, and 1 red block in the bag. So you say, well, your total outcomes is yellow plus blue plus red, so it's going to be 6. So you pick blue equals blue over total outcomes, so that's going to be 2 over 6, or 1/3. So you print probability of picking blue and pick blue. So 1/3 is 0.33, so that's 33%. The next one we're going to do is we're going to do a roll of the dice. So the num sides equals 6 because you have 6 rows of the dice. So 1 equals 1, 2 equals 1, 3 equals 1, 4 equals 1, 5 equals 1, 6 equals 1. So roll 5 equals 5 over num sides. And then you print probability of rolling 5, roll 5, and it's 0.167. So it's 16.7% chance of rolling a 5, or 16.7% chance of rolling any one of the other numbers. So the next thing we have, we're still on the dice. So the num sides equals 6, but we're going to get an even number on dice roll. So even equals 3 and odd equals 3, because even is 2, 4, 6 and odd is 1, 3, 5. So roll even equals even over num sides, and print probability of rolling an even number. Roll even, so that's 0.5. And roll odd equals odd over num sides. Then you print probability of rolling an even number, or it should be odd number really. I made a mistake there. Odd number, roll odd, and it's going to be 0.5. So you have a 50% chance of rolling an even number and a 50% chance of rolling an odd number. So the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to be working with a deck of cards. So num cards equals 52. There are 12 face cards in a deck of 52. So pull face card equals face cards over num cards. So that's going to be 12 over 52. So print pull probability of pulling a face card, comma, pull face card, and the probability is 0.23, or 23% chance of pulling a face card. So we're still on the cards. Num cards equals 52 because there's 52 cards in the deck. You have a red king is 2 because the diamonds and the hearts are a king. So you can get 2. Pull red king equals red king over num cards. So that's 2 over 52. So print probability of a red king, comma, pull red king, and the probability is 0.038, so it's 3.8% chance of pulling a red king. So now we're going to select a vowel from the alphabet. So you have 26 letters in the American alphabet, and you have 5 vowels. So pick vowel equals vowel over alphabet. So pick vowel equals 5 over 26. Print probability of picking a vowel out of the alphabet, comma, pick vowel, and so you have 0.19. So you have 19% of picking a vowel out of the alphabet. So that's it for probability, just performing some simple probability with Python. So if you didn't know what probability was, you know what probability is now. And if you didn't know how to compute or calculate probability, you know how to calculate probability now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I want to thank my subscribers for supporting my channel. So thank you again. I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.